Hi, this is Jonathan Cheever, Olympic snowboarder, American standard athlete, and licensed plumber. I'm back again to talk to you about Flash. Flash is offered both with and without stops. In the case that you're installing a valve without a stop, you're going to need a way to flush out the lines, and American Standard offers their flush plug. This is the flush plug for Flash. It installs into the shower valve body just like a standard cartridge would. It even has the same O-rings. Right here you have two ports, so you can isolate your water lines. And on the front of the flush plug, there is a guide so you know exactly which line is open. Installing the flush plug is simple. We're removing the retaining ring and the cap. Installing the flush plug. Right here we have our guide so we know which line we're isolating. And putting the retaining ring back on. Now we're ready to flush out our line. Now it's time to flush out the other line. We have our guide so we know that we're aligning the flush plug properly, and we're putting our retaining ring back on.